I plant my seeds in these dirt roads. I see myself in these cornrows. I learn about love, I learn about pain. So I'm talking to God, praying for rain. I earn my wings in this Texas wind. It picks me up to fly and knocks me down again. Some things in life you can't explain. So I'm talking to God, praying for rain. So I can stand tall in a storm like a live oak tree. No one in this world gonna ever get the best of me. Running down the dream like I'm chasing the train. Learning about myself like more in every day. 'Cause I'm just a girl talking to God, praying for rain.